Welcome to McDonald's Double Thumbs Up. Today's video is about my McDonald's usuals. Let's see what I have. I have an orange juice, I have McChicken sandwich, and a wrap, and a Happy Meal. Let's see how they taste like. First we'll eat the Happy Meal. I got a toy here. I'll open it later. Let's try some French fries. It looks like I've got chicken nuggets. I forgot ketchup. Let's see if there is. Ooh, there's some ketchup. Let's open it. Delicious. Next, I'm going to open my chicken wrap. We're going to open McChicken sandwich. Let's see how it tastes like. Looks delicious. Let's try something new. Now I'm going to have some orange juice. I'm going to open my toy now. I've got a zombie and Supergirl toy. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's always McDonald's double thumbs up.